exciting and fun for me, so if I could do this more often, I would.
Have you named it?
Name of Toad.
Steven.
What's your hypothesis?
Our hypothesis is that the amount of nitrates affect the amount of living things in the water.
Okay, what tools do you need to prove your hypothesis?
We're going to use the nitrate kit and the pH kit, and then in order to see if it affects the living things, we're going to use a net to see what we can find.
Oh.
Hello Shirley Heim, I'm Evan Dudick, and we're at Prince William Park, Quantico Creek, and we're going to be testing the water. And my assistant Emily will be going in. Emily, what exactly are we doing?
We are first doing the temperature, which is 64.4 degrees Fahrenheit.
Really?
Yes.
That is very interesting. Now what is that again? 64.6. Now we're going to test the water speed. Emily, would you like to put that in there for me, please?
Yeah, I will.
As you can see, this river, or creek, is very important to wildlife. And right now, putting that in the water is going to tell us the speed. Alright, Emily, what do we got? 1.3?
Yeah, 1.3.
Alrighty, now let's test the wind. Just 0.0. No wind today. That's a nice day. Alrighty, now we're going to check the barometer. Or however you pronounce it.
It is 30.3 over there.
30? Wow, that is 4 less than over there. Well, thank you for tuning in with us, and have a great day.